I actually just wrote a letter to somebody that's in jail, and I said something that I think somebody needs to hear today. Listen, just because you feel imprisoned by a relationship, a financial situation, whatever it is today, emotionally, spiritually, you just feel stuck. Just because you feel stuck doesn't mean you are stuck. Listen, today is the day to begin to march out by faith out your miracle, march out your purpose, march out your destiny. Just because you're stuck, this is not your final destination. Your mistakes, whatever, if you caused them or somebody else caused them to get you to this place that you are stuck, listen, you are not more powerful than what God can do in your life. His plan is greater than anything that you can ever do in your life. And just because today you are stuck does not mean you will be stuck. Today is the day to escape. Today is the day of freedom for you.